we get this?
Is that caca?
Nice. All right, let's get the
This
rest.
one. Mom, I don't know what that was.
That's from the light.
No, I don't know what it is. Can you see? In there or what?
No, it's not all the way. Doesn't matter. What do you know? What did you
I got the salmon and pea. So, but I don't know which one is which. But we got one. So that's about an hour and a half into the coming in tide. The half a pea, huh? But again, I don't know what that was. I can't remember. The only way I'll know is if I pull this one out. And I might as well.
I've been doing half a filly.
Okay guys, welcome to another episode of Get Real. Western Port again. And tonight's mission is the Reds again. So we're going to give it a shot, see what happens. Good?
Yeah. I forgot See you later, alligator. That's the shit.
Not a big one, but definitely feels coming.
I need to get this shit. Yeah, hey! It's a good one. It's a fucking... Oh, yes!
Nice!
What do you want? Hey, hey! Easy, boy!
Clean this guy.
Easy! Hey, what's the good right? Slice and dice. Slice and dice, man.
Hey, hey!
We have finally.
Yes, guys!
Turn your light off.
That's it there. Is it off?
Yeah, it's off.
Nice.
Put it
Long
on.
wait for
Put it
that
on.
one. Whee! Probably 3.5, 3.5, 4 maybe. That's it done, I reckon. Possibly. Huh? Maybe? Or banjo.
Down, though.
Huh?
That's the bit that I don't like. Hanging low, you know?
Banjo.
Yeah, that's the bit I'm not keen on. See? Look. But it's not going in circles though. Because
Banjo.
this banjo should be going in circles right now.
You reckon?
Yeah, they go like round and round. For some reason. Okay, so banjo. Holy shit! That's a big fucker coming sideways.
Just much?
Why? That's why I didn't go. It just wrapped around. That's why I couldn't go fucking insert.
Flying F did the job there. There's a big banjo, guys. Big banjo. On. Head shakes?
Nothing so far. Oh, let go.
No. Let go.
No, he's on.
He's on? Swim towards you.
Coming to you.
Swim towards you? Coming.
Yeah, it's coming.
Huh?
It's coming.
Coming?
I don't know.
Feels like it?
No head shake at the moment. It's just coming.
That was a decent run though.
Yeah. Gummy is call up, you reckon?
Maybe. They take prawns,
We'll
man.
find out. We'll find out.
Whatever it was, it went for a decent run, guys.
I will check out. Yeah, it is loose. Loose.
That's a loose
The
drag.
drag is not that tight.
Okay.
But it's not fucking.
not
nothing at
doing
the moment.
anything?
Yeah.
And he's not changing direction in a hurry either, like a gummy would. Huh?
Yeah, nothing. Nothing at the moment. Doesn't know it's hooked or what. Like,
Loose drag.
it's not. Oh, no, let go, dude.
You let go. That's a weed you bring.
Yeah.
Rubbish. That was a fucking snapper. Have you got a hook?
I don't know what I got here.
You got bubbles. It let go.
Man.
Didn't hook up.
Yeah,
That's fishing, guys. Huh?
I got everything back.
You got everything back? That was a snapper.
Son of a
That was a snapper that didn't hook up, guys. That went for a decent run. Believe it or not, that was on a prawn cracker. What's that one? No? Okay, it wasn't on a prawn cracker, but I'm not going to share that with you. But anyway. Okay, guys.
There you go.
It is now bright.
Daylight.
We've been out the whole night. We got one fish. We're doing good. Now we made a move right up the top end of Coronella. Like right up the top end. Like right up.
Can't go anywhere.
Can't go anymore. I mean, we can, but we won't. And we've sounded up some fish here. So the tide's just turned now, so we'll give this a go and see if we can't get one more. Just one. One more, huh?
Johnny.
Just one. No, I got one. One more. And
Yeah, one each.
yeah, one each.
Yeah.
Yeah. Technically two. You
No, for
greedy
today.
fucking
For,
charo.
for today.
Yeah, okay, for today. And then we will retreat to, if it gives us enough time, squid. Southern calamari, sorry. And see if we can't get a few of them to add to the fisherman's basket of nothing at the moment. One snapper. And we'll see how we go. Stay tuned. happens, guys? Got a message there. Let me check my message. And Alex is on. We had a bit of a lull moment there with nothing happening, yeah? Fair to say, Mark?
Absolutely. What's happening?
Net! Might be a good fish, guys, or okay fish. Yep. Ooh, nice.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Nice one.
Yes!
Look
Beautiful.
at him. Look at him.
Where is he?
Look at him.
No way. No way. He's just slipped
Just
like
loading.
just on the skin. Nice. Not as big as the Tuesday night one, but nevertheless,
We'll take
it's a snapper and it ain't 40 centimeter like the first one.
That is true. I just dropped one and he picked it up. That's called teamwork.
It's possible it's the same one.
It happened pretty quick.
Yeah, it must have come off yours and gone to mine. Okay, well, I'll keep this here for now. I'll cast this one. I don't know what this is. Great.
Sorry?
All that great. Don't know where it's gone. Probably under, I think. Oh. What is wrong with it?
Flying gas tank. Azores! Azores! Yes, sir! Azores! Come on, Ray Governor.
Do you know what it is? Banjo? Oh, Jackson. Wanna eat it?
No. I don't even want to touch it. He's a big boy.
Oh, what? It's on the wing, Mom.
Where do I get it?
On the wing. Yeah, at least you can let him go. That is full of. What? Oh, shit.
Can't penetrate this fucking thing. a flying jet plane. Okay, we're on again, guys. Maybe a good fish. See? Oh, coming. No, elephant fish. Elephant fish. Elephant fish. Dude, we've got some other lines, I think. Huh?
Got the thing, ma?
Huh?
Yeah, because they can cut you off with like I haven't got this kind of for a while. Yeah, they wrap it around. They wrap everything around, and you just cutting. Yeah.
Hey!
Everyone.
That's a pretty nice elephant fish, guys. Okay, guys, that brings us to the end of this session. It's been a flipping marathon of a session. So we went out at 10 last night, and it is now 2:49 the next day. It's an epic session. We got 2 snapper, we dropped 6, and we got an elephant fish, heaps of little gummies, no tooties this time, funny enough. Oh no, actually Alex got bitten. Yeah, so yeah, it's been okay. It's been a good trip. So, all in all, it was a success because we went for a red, we got a red, we got an elephant fish as a bonus, welcome bonus. And that's going to bring this section to an end. So, catch you on the next trip, guys.